This credit rating agency just posted 37% PAT surge and recorded its highest annual profit in 5 years, which is 140 crore rupees, powered by the booming bond issuances and global expansions. With 43% EBITDA margins and DII holding soaring to 29%, it is fast emerging as a high margin, under the radar force in financial services. From 667 rupees to 1422 rupees in just 2 years, which is up by 113%, this counter is turning heads. Stay tuned in the video to discover this data-driven performer. Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we screen through the noise to uncover the hidden gems in the stock market. I am Bhumika Jain, Equity Research Associate at Desvelado Advisory, and in today's segment, we'll spotlight two companies making noteworthy moves in their respective industry. Please note, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your research before making any kind of decision or investment. So today's lineups are CARE Ratings Limited and Alpex Solar Limited. Let's start with the first company, CARE Ratings Limited. This company is a leading credit rating agency operating across manufacturing, financials, infrastructure and non-financial sectors. In Q4 FY25, company posted 109 crore rupees in revenue, which is up by 22% year-on-year, with EBITDA margins at 47 crore rupees, up by 63%, and PAT, which is 43 crore rupees, up by 77%. For FY25, CARE delivered 402.3 crore rupees in revenue, which is up by 21% year-on-year, with the ratings vertical contributing 89.5%. PAT surged 37%, while the non-rating revenue rose 27% to 42.2 crore rupees, which is basically led by the global and analytical expansion. Looking ahead, company expects higher demand for credit ratings in FY26, driven by the rising bank credit and increased government capex by 10.1%. which will ultimately lead to the increased business volume and ultimately higher revenue. Now coming to the second company, Alpex Solar Limited. It is a fully integrated solar module manufacturer and EPC contractor, gaining traction with both PSUs and institutional clients. It recently secured 349 crore rupees of turnkey solar project from Coal India Limited subsidiary, equivalent to 84.6% of its FY24 revenue. Financially, in Q3 FY25, company reported revenue of 187.6 crore rupees, with EBITDA margin expanding by 240 basis points to 20% from previous quarter, and net profit margin standing at 12.5%. Going forward, to meet the surging demand, the company is expecting solar module capacity to 2.4 gigawatt, solar cells to 1.6 gigawatt, and aluminium frame production to 12,000 TPA, achieving the full backward integration by FY26. In the summary of all the recent filings, CARE Ratings Limited posted PAT of 140 crore rupees in FY25 with 43.2% EBITDA margin in Q4, expanding global footprints and scaling the non-ratings business. Alpex Solar Limited won 349 crore rupees of Coal India project. Total order book now stand at 1064 crore rupees, scaling to 2.4 gigawatt of module capacity with full backward integration by FY26. That's a wrap up for today's Noisemaker. For more details, you can check out our full report in the description below. Stay ahead, stay informed.